Hi, today on Western Roundup, we highlight two families in St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland who received assistance in improving their once deplorable living conditions. Stay with us. An indigent family in Moreland, Westmoreland is the latest family to benefit from a $10 million two-bedroom housing unit built under the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development's Indigent Housing Program. The beneficiaries, Winsome Jones and her family, were overwhelmed with joy for the gift.
We're thankful to everybody who take this opportunity to take me out of a hole what I was in. Because I was into a stress, big stress. I don't know how to manage, but God, but thanks because I water is near, so thanks to everybody.
I'm feeling extra enjoyment. Me happy, oh God, I can't tell. It come like had something bust out of me, how give me joy.
The housing unit was handed over in December by Portfolio Minister Desmond McKenzie, who has pledged to continue to support the nation's indigent population.
Since 2016, the government have been working in Westmoreland. We have paid attention to the poor and destitute, the homeless population, the infirm within this parish. We are providing meals for the street population. We have increased our support to the indigent programs across the parish of Westmoreland. And we are doing this because Westmoreland is a proud parish. We are, ladies and gentlemen, searching, finding, and gradually doing what we can to assist those persons who are in need.
The two-bedroom dwelling boasts a kitchen, dining room, one bathroom, and was built with a wheelchair ramp to allow for ease of access to Miss Jones, who is physically disabled. The unit was fully furnished to include a toilet, face basin, stove, washing machine, cupboard, refrigerator, beds, televisions, fans, and couch. Meanwhile, in St. Elizabeth, the Lacovia High School Past Students Association handed over a three-bedroom dwelling to an indigent family living in the community of Horton in the parish. The unit, which was constructed at a cost of over $8 million, was funded by the association in collaboration with other stakeholders and sponsors.
I am happy that the association was able to move this family from a hut to a home. It was a tedious task, but we were able to do it.
The dwelling, which boasts 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a living room, kitchen and veranda, represents a new beginning for the family that once lived in a deplorable condition.
We was living there, but she had what we usually call it. It's not a pretty condition. We was there. When the rain come down, we have to get on the board black for can come out of the living condition. I give thanks.
I am thankful and grateful for what Miss Powell has done for us and everyone else.
Furniture and a 650-gallon tank were also donated to the family. Persons interested in donating to the family can contact the Lacovia High School Past Students Association to assist. That's all for the program today. As usual, thank you for joining us for Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send your feedback to jismobe@jis.gov.jm. Until next time, stay safe.